Hello everybody, Matthew here with QUIK Websites. Just wanted to lay out why I'm doing this channel and provide a little introduction to myself and my business. Again, my name is Matthew Upton. I own QUIK Websites and Hosting. I've been in business for myself for 23 years now. I've been building websites since 95, 96. I've been doing WordPress probably a dozen years now, and I've been using Divi to build sites almost exclusively since it was introduced about 8 or 9 years ago. So I've done probably 1,000 sites in my business lifetime, and now I want to give back all the knowledge I've gained over the years. So this channel is to provide tips and tricks on using Divi in WordPress first and foremost. I will do just WordPress general tips, and also do tips on some of the plugins I use, including Formidable Forms, which is in my mind probably one of the best out there. So please come back and visit often. I'm going to post hopefully once a week this year in 2023. If you have any topics that you'd like to see me speak on, please comment them and I will take a look. In the meantime, please enjoy my first video of the year regarding doing custom Divi buttons. So again, thanks for your time. Thanks for stopping by my channel, and please do subscribe when you get the chance. Thanks again. It's Matthew at QUIK Websites and Hosting. Bye for now.